Hi, I'm Stefan Kranenburg.
And I'm Mitchell Spears.
In this experiment, we are using a Bunsen burner to create a reaction between our magnesium sample and the oxygen in the atmosphere. This is an example of a synthesis reaction. A synthesis reaction takes place when two or more chemical species come together to make one more complex molecule. On the reactant side of the equation, we have 5 grams of solid magnesium and diatomic oxygen in gas form in abundance. On the product side, we have a newly made solid magnesium oxide molecule. Because a magnesium ion has a charge of +2 and an oxide ion has a charge of 2-, there is only one of each type of atom in magnesium oxide. Because oxygen usually exists as O2, we have 2 oxygen atoms on the reactant side, so we need to balance the product side out by adding a 2 in front of the magnesium oxide, which in turn means that we need to add a 2 before the magnesium on the reactant side of the equation.
Now I'm going to demonstrate this reaction in late night labs. To do this experiment, the first thing we need to do is take a balance off the instrument shelf. With this balance, we need to measure the mass of an empty crucible. And we see that we get 88 grams. Now we need to add 5 grams of magnesium to the crucible and measure the mass of that. We get 93 grams. As you can see, the color of the magnesium is now gray. After that, we take the Bunsen burner off the instrument shelf and put it on the table. Then the crucible goes on top of the Bunsen burner. A wire rack and stand should appear automatically. Next, we turn the Bunsen burner on low heat and let the magnesium stay on there for 1 to 2 minutes. Now we need to take the crucible off and allow it to cool for 1 to 2 minutes. Now that the crucible is cool, we take the new mass. We see that it's 96.289 grams, which means that a chemical reaction has occurred and it's gained mass. It's gained exactly 3.289 grams. We can also see that the color has changed from gray to white. The reaction has created magnesium oxide.